guys, welcome to another video. So in the last video I taught you guys how to use all these tools here you're seeing for editing a logo. Okay, so today we'll be designing a logo together. Alright, so this logo we're designing happens to be the first logo I did. That's the first video I did on YouTube. So that was the first thing I did when I started a YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted you guys to know that. So let's start. First, make it capital letter by clicking on this double T here. Okay, then we'll put it in the middle. Then come here, put it in the middle. Alright, then we choose the color we want. So we go to color, make it black for now. Then we select the font. So I want to be using these fonts here because you guys won't see them when you download the app. So I'll just use the one you see. So these are the fonts you will see. So let's just go with this one. Okay, so just come to poster, then scroll down, then click on this one. Alright, then click on OK. Now we also want to create another word which is designs. So since I want to use the same font for designs, all I will do is just make a copy of this. Alright, then I will double click, then I will delete this one and put designs. So I'll make it capital letter. And I click on OK. Now you see they have the same font. Then I can reduce this one and put it in the middle. Okay, I can drag it up a little. Alright, then the next thing we are doing is making a shape. So I click on this, then I drag it to make it a circle, or you can just click on this box here and then select this shape you want, which is circle. Then I can increase the size a little bit. Alright, then I change the color to black. Okay, then we make a copy of this circle. So we just click on this tab here and then click on copy. Then we have a copy here. Then we'll change the color to white. Alright, then I'll reduce the size of this circle here. Okay, so I'm trying to create something else from these two shapes here, like I taught you guys in the previous videos. Alright, so now I join these two together. Okay, then I click on it, then I go to erase column. So I remove the white part. Alright, then I make the shape smooth, that's the edges. I make the edges smooth, so by just shifting this, let's put it in 26. Okay, then smooth edges, let's put it in 2. You don't put it too much. If you drag it too much, see what's gonna happen. Okay, so let's put it in 2. Okay, so alright, then you can also bend this, so like this, like this. Okay, then the next thing, we'll still create another shape. We click on shapes and then we just scroll and then we choose this one and reduce it. then okay, so I'll just choose the color I want, which is black, and reduce it a little. Then I'll put it like this. Then I want to put another one on the other side, so I'll just make a copy. Right now I have a copy, then I can drag it down, turn it the other way around. So now I don't know whether they're on the same line, so I can just use this to check. Okay, so I can drag this one down a little. Okay, now I have this, so we join everything together. So just click on this. Once you click on this, click on this. Okay, then select everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, then I click on this one, then OK. So now I've joined everything together. So if I move it, I'm moving everything. So put it in the middle. Now I can change the color to whatever color I want. Okay, you can actually change the color from the beginning, but I just do this sometimes. So I just start with black and then I change it to the color I want. So then I choose the color I want. I can use yellow. Then I click OK. Then I'll go to 3D shape. Click enabled. Then I can reduce the depth to, let's say, 4. Then I can darken it. Let's put it in 70. Alright, then I move to the next one, which is shadow. I'll just go to shadow. And I click enable. I can reduce the blur radius if I want. So I can move the shadow to another side. So I can move it to my left. So I just say -5. Then I can also push it down or up. So I want to push it down, put it 2. Okay. Then I click on OK. Then I move to emboss. Then I click on enabled. Then I reduce the bevel to 1. Put the specular hardness to, let's say, 85. Okay. Then I can reduce this one and increase it. I think let's put it in 73. Then intensity, let's say 66. Then I can put this one on 28. Okay. Alright, so we've done a logo. Then we need a background. Okay, so if I'm using this as a thumbnail, okay, so I'll just click on this one here, go to image size, select YouTube thumbnail, then I click on OK. I can reduce the size. Alright, then now I want to put a background. So the background I'm using, I downloaded it. Alright, so to use the background, just go to the video description. Okay, there's a link to where you can download the background and then use it for your logo design. Alright, so I'll just click on this one. Then I go to from gallery. Alright, then I just select this background. Okay, and I click on OK. Now I have the background. Then I'll come to, I click on it, I go to 3D rotate, I'll just adjust it, bend it a little, and make it 10, alright. Okay, so we have this. So I'm done. Unless I want to do something else, like add some other things to it. But for now I'm done. Then I will save it. I can save it by clicking on this one here. So I can save it as a project. Remember, if I'm saving it as a project, that means I'm not done. I still want to do some things or make some correction. Okay, so I'll save it as a project. But if I'm done, I'll save it as an image. So I click on save as image. Then I select Ultra. Then click on save to gallery. Okay, so it's now saved. So now it's on my gallery. So there's another thing I do to just add some beauty to the logo. Okay, I'll go to Photoshop. Okay, you can download it on Google Play Store. So I'll click on this. Now I can just, I click on this. Okay, then see it has given some kind of beauty. So I can just adjust it and do it like this. Alright, then I just save. Alright, so that's our logo. So now that is the new logo. That's the logo. Alright, so yeah. So I hope this was helpful. Okay, you can try this. Keep trying. You get used to it. Okay, so if you're new here, or just watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Alright, so I think we're done with this training. We're done with everything. Okay, so you guys should just try to be making logo with this app. Try to make logo, try to do other things also, not just logo, the flyer, anything, just design something from it. Okay, so yeah, and if you have a question, okay, or something you don't understand, you can just comment below. I'll reply you. Alright, see you guys on the next video.